All right, we're good, Matt. We're live right now.
Sweet.
What's going on, everyone? What's good? What's good? What's good? Get this connected. Okay. Alrighty. That's my password. Sweet. Okay. Where are you at right now, Matt? Are you outside or something?
Is it loud?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Um,
Muted.
yeah. Let's see here. Later. Trying this over here. Okay. All right. Let's. Oh, let me go get the dogs real quick. Be right back. All right. Let's see what I see here. Dollar tag the daily SIBI here. Okay. I'm watching mainly just watching this hourly gap on NQ and ES. 4 hour. Yeah, mainly just watching this hourly gap. I actually think we go lower. Um, I'm actually leaning bearish. I think this is all like kind of low resistance liquidity. Uh, like me and Matt. Oh no, who was it I was talking to last night? Oh, it was me and Tanya were talking last night. She thinks it's bearish too. Matt, I think Matt thinks it's bearish. It's kind of. I mean, obviously you got these equal highs here, right? But I mean, we've done that before and dropped lower. I mean, we left equal highs. I think back here when I was bullish, and then we dropped lower. So I mean, like, obviously if this candle closes in an hour and it's up here, then this is invalidated. But I'm kind of targeting somewhere down to here. If we close above the hourly SIBI, then I'd be bullish. Um, and the only reason I would be bullish is because we got these triple equal highs up here. Um, however, I'm just ready for this month to be over with. So had a good day yesterday. Not really expecting to give do anything stupid here and give money back, but definitely got SMT here currently. So 6. Wait, no, we don't. Oh no, we don't. Yeah, thought we had SMT there. So just kind of watching to see like what happens here at 9:30. Okay. How's my mic now? Can you hear me? Okay. I just turned it up. I think I had 2 mics on. Yeah, that's what I have. Okay, cool. Awesome. I'll drop to a lower time frame. Usually I do it once price comes into this area. I'll probably do it once we take this high. If we do. Set my alerts right here. I want to see if it creates SMT here and then goes lower. We also have we had news at 8:30 and we have news at 9:45. It's just orange folder, but it's PMI, and then 10 o'clock we have U of M, consumer sentiment. Those used to be a red folder, I believe, so I don't know why it's been downgraded, but yeah, that's kind of what I'm watching on the M5, hourly and M5. I think this is all, like I said, trendline liquidity right here. So, see what happens. I'm going to do a YouTube video on it, Makai. Let's see here. I'll do the giveaway a little bit later. Okay, so 9:30 NQ took the high, ES did not. So let's just see what happens here. Now I can drop the M5 chart. See what happens. I'm going to drop to M5 on ES2. Since I think we could potentially form an SMT here, potentially. Leaning bearish about like 70, 30, 60, 40. If the hourly closes above here, though, on the 1 hour SIBI on ES and NQ, then I'd change my mind. The rejection yesterday was pretty big on the daily. What the fuck? That's so weird. Hold on, I gotta fix my. That's weird. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, the close yesterday was kind of crazy. Oh man, these triple equal highs look freaking crazy. something here. Like the thing is, if I wanted to go higher though, I want to see some sort of like move lower to then go higher. I don't want to grind up here like this, especially into this 1 hour SIBI, because that could be the fact that it just grinds up into there, and doesn't displace through it, could show that it's weak. 15-minute busy. If we were at 15-minute, I don't think we'd get it by now. But I would just wait till 10 o'clock if that were to happen. Because if you look at the 15-minute, yeah, I don't think we're gonna get that. So best to just wait for a new hourly candle, in my opinion. So let's see what happens here. Let's see where we're at from Asia. High, low. Console. Pretty overextended, obviously. Assuming the NQ's ES is the same. How this SMT here? Yeah, we're kind of chilling. We're still chilling in the same spot. If you look at the hourly from, like, look at this hourly chart right here. So Monday, we're outside of Wednesday and Thursday, like we're still in this range. You see what I mean? Like look at the daily chart. So how do you play if you're in the range? How do you play? How do you play that? You gotta play the highs and lows of the range, right? So we're currently in the middle of the range, but we've had displacement here, so that's one thing that's kind of keeping me hopeful for today. Let's see. Yeah, we do have SMT. Copy link. See what happens on the M5. Haven't really done a whole lot since, like, news candle right here. Drop lower. Didn't form an SMT there, so we'll see. Could be reaching for those highs. I think the highs are right up here. We still have a good ways to go, obviously. Another 140 points. Yeah. Yeah, the daily chart, this could be... The wick just scares me. You know what I mean? I would like for this to close on NQ above this before I try to long, in my opinion. Because we haven't really had no energetic displacement to the upside from here. But that's just me. Yeah, I mean... $140 points. Is it 140? Oh yeah, I was thinking about this one. Up here. Yeah, so this would be the next draw. Obviously. Alright, so ES just took out that high. So it's no longer SMT at the highs now. What's going on, man? Yeah, it definitely should be more explosive. I mean, like I said, we have news at 9:45 and 10. It's just orange folder. But, you know, I think it could be something. And longs from the 15-minute order block. $15-minute order block. I'm assuming you mean this one. Wait for something obvious is all I'm going to say, because this is... If you guys saw me yesterday, or heard yesterday, I had a win on stream, I immediately got off. I was like, I'm so tired of this price action. I'm over it. Freaking left. I was like, I'm done. I'm done. I got my win, and I'm out. I don't want to deal with this anymore. Dollars in here. I don't really look at bonds under that today. Check this 4 hour out. Yeah, so this 4 hour on NQ is potentially still inside. Well, it's still in here, obviously, but that 1 hour close at 10 o'clock is going to tell us a lot, in my opinion. Basically going to tell us if we can get something like this and then go lower. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Let me go ahead and do this giveaway. Okay. Let's do 33 minutes. we give away one. Huh, well, I may do it at that time, but yeah. Let's go on, Ryan. So type in, yeah, you guys got it. See, 15 minutes. No one, just me right now. I'm doing it here on YouTube. Matt's Wi-Fi went out, so. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I can see bullish. I can see bullish price action for sure. Like this hourly right here, this hourly SIBI. If we get a close above it, then the next, target is, 100 points above that. So I can wait for that. I just don't like yesterday's close, but that's just me. It hasn't really displaced. It hasn't really displaced above anything to the upside yet, in my opinion. Like if it would have closed above this yesterday, I'd be like, okay, cool. And then it sold off. I'm like, I don't know. We'll see. What's up, D Howie? Man, me and D Howie go way back, bro. No one knows about D Howie. Let's see what happens here. Let's check the M15 out. Nothing. No, you see how there's like no sort of like displacement at all. Like 15 minute, the 5. You know what I mean? Like there's nothing clear. Check oil real quick. Who killed oil? 9 o'clock, commodities open stop. I can't stand oil, bro. ES is the cleanest so far. pull back up to these hourly charts real quick. Indicators, these midnight ones is called Smart Money Add-ons by TFO, and then that's the only one really. This FX watermark one. Well, I have like the times right here. That's about it. That's about it. Thanks everyone for tuning in here. 80 people almost in the stream. Make sure you guys like if you guys enjoy this. I've heard that if everyone likes the stream, price action tends to be cleaner. I don't know how that correlates, but it just does. Just paying attention to the hourly close here. Who's all live this morning? I assume Tanya's live.
To college, I got my degree in...
Well, ICT's live, Matt's live, Tanya's live, everyone's live. Yeah. Casper's live. Oh my gosh. Is he really? I don't think I follow his YouTube actually. No, he's not. He's probably live on his Discord. Yeah, Matt's not live this morning. His Wi-Fi went out. It's just me that's live today. Okay. It's like price is really moving now. Yeah, it is pretty trash. I don't know about the open high low close stat map. I think Curtis kind of said it best here. Friday before holiday weekend, before NFP week. See, my thing is, I feel like they're gonna run it lower. You know what I mean? But I mean, usually before holiday they run it higher, I guess. And be if longs were winning all week, but it looks like shorts were winning all week, so I guess they're gonna run it. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, right to the monthly open. All right, what is monthly open? Monthly open. Down here. Oh yeah, monthly opens up here. I remember that day. That day was wild. It's down here on ES. Let's see what happens though. We've got 10 o'clock here in 7 minutes. Let's see how the hourly puts in. I don't use the weekly and daily profiles now. I mean, I definitely, you know, if it's expanded, I mean, there's like 2 or 3 of them I use. I get my course stuff. Like I put it in my course. Like there was 3 of them I used, 2 or 3 of them. That's all you really need. As for the weekly profile, I don't really look at that too much, unless it's pretty clear. Like I don't even know what this week's profile will be. Like Thursday low of week, if that's even a. I don't think that's a profile. Looks like consolidation. Thursday reversal, in my opinion. I think that's one. So if that's true, Friday should actually expand, right? But I mean, I don't see an entry in here anyways. Labor Day weekend, markets closed on Monday, right? Assume. If it is, it's gonna be slow as shit. So Tuesday, Wednesday of next week should be tradable days. Probably Wednesday, because after a holiday, Tuesday is treated like a Monday. So, I mean, just be careful on Tuesday, Wednesday. Do not trade Thursday, screw that day, and then trade Friday after NFP. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday are my trading days I'm looking at next week. Depending on what we do today, if there's no weekly objective that has been met, whether it be these highs or this low, then I'm going to target that Tuesday, Wednesday, if that makes sense, okay? Actually, I think for ES, if it goes higher, should be the weekly objective. So that's another 30 points. NQ, another buck 20. No, don't do that. It's on what? If you join the Discord, it's in there. Like it's included with a monthly membership. So it's pretty good. It's like 20. Everyone, I got good feedback on it. It's like 20 or 30, 20, 25 videos, 5 minutes a piece. I mean everything. I could go a little bit more in detail in the future, but I mean I feel like if you got the basic understandings, that's great. Yeah, low volatility. It's in the link. It's in the description here. It should be. Yeah, I might have changed it here. Just click the link in the description. It should be in there. Pretty boring price action, right? So far, look at 930. Hasn't moved outside this range. Not one energetic candle on the 5 minute from 930. Okay. So 90% of this game is just waiting, right? Okay. I will I'll post a link in here. Give me a second. It's so weird. Oh, yeah, we rebranded. Check and see if this one works. Check and see if that one works. $80 people. See what DXY does here too. That'd be nice for you guys that are bullish. Wow, this is kind of crappy. Yeah, Tuesday through Thursday. Go live in there. Monday through Friday on YouTube. Actually, I won't be doing one this Monday because it'll be Labor Day. So, just next Friday. I don't trade the forever model. No, I trade like people call like the unicorn or whatever. I like breakers. I've been trading breakers for close to 2 years now. I like them a lot. But there's a lot more that goes into it. I mean, there's breakers all over the place. I mean, shoot, like, I mean, you just gotta know which ones. You gotta, do the line time frame, stuff like that. I got a breaker here, move up before the move down. We retested it here, went higher. Yeah, there's breakers all over the place. You know what I mean? So they're just entry techniques. So, all right, 10 o'clock. Let's see what happens here. Let's check out the hourly. See how the hour. Okay, so the hourly closed pretty bullish, right? So now, I'm gonna look for anything for longs up to here, okay? To previous day high. I gotta find something on the M15. Right, I want this gap. Ooh. Now that we invalidated this 1 hour SIBI, I want to see a gap to form here. So something down here, right? Move up. Yeah, he is. Yep. He was actually just on the call, but he had bad service, I think, or something. We couldn't hear him very well. Yeah, just me and gang. Freaking idiot. I'm gonna get the eye out. $43 tickets. We got 10 minutes until the giveaway winner is announced. You guys gotta get some more tickets in there. I mean, we got 70 people in here. Only 43 of you guys submitted a what's it called? Let me call. See what Matt's saying here. Yeah, Matt caught him a nice little long. Love that. Love to see that. Looks like Matt got long right here in the M5. right here. Took it over to here. So I like for this candle to close something like this, leave this high behind, and then come down, give us a 1 minute market maker buy model to the upside. Got plenty of room. If we get somewhere, if we get something down here, you know, that's 100 points. Yeah. There you go, MC. My bad, but you're probably sitting there like, bro, can you just shut up? I didn't think that many people. Yeah, I mean, ever since I said anything, we got 1 user, 2 users just done it. Damn. So the daily chart, I would kind of had this marked out for a while. Well, not a while, but you know, this looks pretty clean here. So this is the move up before this move down. Took this liquidity into this weekly BISI, right? Displaced through it, retested this breaker. In here, should go higher. I feel like I've been arguing a lot with myself today. Because, I mean, this daily looks pretty clean to go to the upside. Definitely more bullish now than I was like an hour ago due to this hourly close. It's just, there was an entry down here anyways. At least for me. So let's see what happens. Oh, wow, it closed out the 15-minute gap. That sucks. Yeah, I gotta set up my little section this week where they can sit here and watch me stream my two trading days. I don't really think it's like I don't think it's that big of a deal. Like it sucks for people that can't record it, like if they don't have like the equipment or whatever. But like just flip the phone around and just put it right there. I mean, if you trade on your phone, I get it, but I feel like most people, you wouldn't even want to trade Apex on your phone. You know what I mean? Like that's too much. Like it's not like an MT4, MT5 platform. Like futures, you want to be at the computer screen for that. So I mean, I have this little tripod here I use for making like YouTube videos. I'm just gonna put it right here, and I don't think it's that big of a. I mean, they offer more than what other firms. I mean, in terms of leverage, right? So the good thing is, well, at least where I live, it's a free country. Free country. If I don't want to buy them, I don't have to buy them. You know, I don't have to use them. You know, same with you guys. If you don't like the rules, you ain't gotta use them. So, yeah. Oh, this is so ugly. Day before holiday weekend, to be expected, but. Let's see if my wife's at right now. If she's on the way home or not. Where is she going? Home is this way, not that way. Well, she did a U-turn. I have to look at I've seen the email that they sent out, like people post on Twitter. I haven't looked at my email like all fucking week, so I'm gonna look at it. Like I'll I'll call a couple people, you know, like whatever, like I don't know. Not a big deal, like. Yeah. However, if they only offered 3 accounts, they would suck. The fact that you cannot trade 10, 15, 20 accounts, that's a lot of leverage, right? That's a lot of that's the only thing they got going for them. Yeah, I don't know how you guys can trade on your phone. Like, salute to you if you trade futures on your phone. I just, it's crazy. Um, I just have to like be locked in a little bit. I feel like my phone would go off. Like someone would text me, and I wouldn't have on do not disturb, and I'd just get bothered or something. I don't know. I don't avoid trading Monday and Friday. If there's a setup, there's a setup. But today it doesn't look too good in my opinion. Like let's check the M5 out now. The M15 hasn't really provided us anything. Like I don't really see much here, right? I mean, it's no displacement. Like, well, what is this? You know, what I mean, we haven't really done anything since freaking London, in my opinion. Asia lows are still intact. You know what I mean? So maybe. Do we have SMT at the high of the hourly? No, we do not. Take this off. I'm gonna take this off too because like I don't see. Obviously, I think it could go there, but I got there's no like I mean 5 minute chart like what am I gonna long from 15-minute chart what am I gonna long from, you know what I mean? 1 hour, like I just don't see enough here for me to long. I mean unless it came all the way down here and then going higher, but if it came all the way down here I'd probably be participating in shorts rather than longs. Just not very clean. We'll see what the next hour or 50 minutes brings us. Giveaway is here in like 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. Get your users in. Get your tickets in. Yeah, I line FVGs. I don't really use order blocks that much. I like price only does one of a couple things, right? It gravitates to inefficiencies, equilibrium, highs and lows. That's pretty much it. I don't think it's going to gravitate towards an order block. I mean, it may move away from an order block, and that's just how price goes. But like an order block necessarily isn't an inefficiency in price. However, if you got what's called like a breaker, which is what I use, so let me find one here. So we have an inefficiency in price, right? Price retested this order block, which is a failed order block, so it's now a breaker. Okay, and then we went higher. You see what I mean? Whereas like, I don't know, I just don't, you know, I don't use them. Like, I'll look at them like if I'm in a trade and I want price to hold a certain level, and it just happens to be an order block, sure, but I'm not gonna enter off one if that makes sense. I only use a couple of them. Forty seconds. 40 seconds. Yeah, that's actually correct. That's. Well, I'm just talking about what price does, right? Price only does one of those 3 or 4 things: equilibrium, inefficiencies, highs and lows, um, and then premium and discount. So four of the things, right? Like that. Those are the only 4 things price does. And then I guess you could say fifth, consolidation, but that kind of goes with equilibrium, right? So, all right, let's see. All right. Let's see who won this bad boy. Huh. Won't let me pick a winner. Oh, right, here it is. Yeah, that's correct right there. Uh-huh. Are y'all ready for me to pick a winner here? I don't think you guys are ready yet. I don't think you guys are ready yet. I'm gonna leave it paused. I'm just kidding. Uh-oh, delete the tab. Yeah, if there's other tickers you guys want me to check out real quick, pick winner. Tough Trader has won a 50K starter. Tough Trader. DM me on IG or Twitter, and if you don't have an account with My Fun of Futures, I recommend you get one. And if you do have one, send me the email that you have with them so I can give you your starter. If you don't do it within Tough Trader, can you just respond here to make sure that you're active so I don't have to pick someone else? You can just say okay. Congrats to Tough Trader. Alright, if he responds, or she. Starting to make a move lower here. Let's see if we get some displacement. Haven't got displacement either to the upside or downside. Tough Trader, where are you at, bro? Usually people are going like, yo, I won. I'll check my Twitter DMs. If you don't respond by the end of the stream, I have to pick someone else. So everyone's probably hoping, don't respond. But if you DM me on Twitter or IG, then I got you. So y'all, I mean, it basically means y'all need to stick around. I haven't got no DM. Alright, let's look at price. Close above. I don't know. Could potentially do something like this. Just watching. I'm just watching here. Just playing devil's advocate at the moment. Oh, where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, there he is. Okay. Yeah, so DM me on Twitter or IG. Thank God I'll close that. DM me on Twitter or IG. Send me your email address if you have an account with them. Yeah. Cool. Alright, now back to price action. Get that pulled up. Horrible delivery here, bro. Yeah, so we'll go back to breakers here. So like technically this is a breaker, right? This is the move down before the move up. It takes liquidity, but I don't think I've seen enough to short yet. You see what I mean? So you can't just like use. I mean, they're just patterns, like right? Like, it doesn't really mean a whole lot. Okay. Horrible, horrible delivery. Any other news? Crude oil or anything like that? CL, yeah, that's what I was checking out. I don't know here about oil now. Oil been pissing me off lately. Yeah, I ain't looking at that. Yeah, no displacement either way. Like this is 9:30. Like so, like days like this are where you like this keeps you guys away from like reaching y'all's goals. Trading days like this. I'm telling you guys, it's not the good trades you take. It's the bad trades. I guarantee you, they come on either days like this or days where price action is very clean and you just miss the move and you try to FOMO and get in and get a piece of it, right? Yeah, this is so ugly. Oil ain't loyal. I like that. RT always got the nice little one-liners there. Oh wow, nice. Was that on Wednesday when the OPEC announced that? Can you suggest any video? If you guys have questions, feel free to drop them in the chat while price action is being dog shit. Exactly, they ignore it. Can you suggest any video about your model, like higher time frame bias? Yeah, go watch the video, the interview I did with TradeWise. I think that was pretty good. Um, it's probably his least viewed one, if I were to guess, if he's watching right now. He's probably not happy with that one. Probably because like no one really knows who I am, and then two, it was a lot of stuff that you like is important, but people don't think is important because I don't teach some new concept, new shiny object thing, right? So, you know, that's a good one. Uh, I'll do some free webinars in the future with Matt. Today, they announced it today. But yeah, that's probably the only place I'd be able to find it. If you guys can check out my YouTube channel, I'm doing a video this weekend. I'll post on Wednesday of next week. Some of the videos I did, go look at the ones I did with T-Trades and T-Trades' Discord. I put them on my YouTube. Those were back in January or February or whatever. Okay, yeah, I mean, that's probably. I don't like to think too much. I feel like the more you think, like, I don't know. I just feel like it's not really a good thing, in my opinion. Do, do, do. Huh. Went from 80 people to 63. I didn't win the giveaway. I think so, Eric. I think so. So, how can you trade this? Well, if it continues to do this crap right here, you can't until Tuesday or Wednesday next week. I think Tuesday or Wednesday next week can definitely, depending on how we close today, can be really clean those first 2 days because I don't think this weekly objective has been met. So for NQ, these highs up here, these triple equal highs, or this Thursday low. For ES, this Monday high, or this Wednesday low. Neither of those have been hit. So I think Tuesday, Wednesday, we can possibly get either longs or shorts depending on how we close, and if it's still there. No, dude, screw Twitter. I don't have Twitter on my phone. I just go on freaking my computer. I've been on it a little bit more lately because college football has started. I'm a big college football fan. Um, so I follow a lot of like reporters and stuff like that. But I do see some of like Twitter stuff, like trading stuff. So yeah, if it yeah, that's the two key words right there. Displaces aggressively. Maybe. And the reason why people, I hate to say that, the masses are stupid, right? So all you have to do to sell something is to just appeal to the masses, right? You know what I mean? New concept, new something, new whatever, new, something new every week, you know. I did, man. Yeah. I had the I did not want to bet on that game, but I did watch it. I had Minnesota UNC under 54. I got Georgia minus 11 to cover that, and then I have Miami and Florida under 51 or 54, I think. I know, Ralph. It is boring. College football team I have two. I have Oregon and Arkansas because I was originally born in Arkansas. Then we moved to Oregon when I was a little bit older. So those are my two teams. Arkansas 170-0. Oregon plays tomorrow night. So Oregon's like I think number 3 in the preseason rankings. So should be pretty good. Good season. It's all gonna come down to October 12th when we play Ohio State. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah. Yeah, it's so stupid. Like there was actually one thing. I think it was like last year. I think actually me and Ralph. Well, no, it wasn't last year. It was earlier this year. We were like, man, like this is pretty accurate. You can use this, and someone already like had coined it or whatever. They called it like the opening, the critical range gap or something. Like a mouse or keyboard. I'm like, man, Ralph, we could have coined that and made millions of dollars. Oh, nice little drop. Nice little drop. See if it continues to displace though. If it just closes above here, that's no good. CTR or CPR or whatever. Who gives a fuck? I will say, some of these people are way better marketers than they are traders, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. Hey Ralph, are you still in where are you at? Spain? Just DM me on Twitter or Instagram, bro. Tough trader. I'm gonna hang around for another 30 minutes or so. All right, special guest appearance here. So you see like the lack of displacement right now. I know I'm just kind of holding the dog and kind of tapering price here, but so ever since 9:30 open, there's not been one fair value gap on the M5 or the M15 that has formed. So that means, okay, like price isn't in a hurry to get anywhere. It doesn't really know where it wants to go or anything like that. So price doesn't know one of those two things. Why would you even participate? You see what I mean? You guys are your own worst enemy at this game. This dog is he's behaved like he's very he's protective. Let's just say that. So whenever he hears something or whatever, he's smart as shit though. You guys have heard me do the stories and things like that. How he tricks the other dogs. He could not trade though, because if he saw a fair value gap form or a candle displace, he would just buy or sell it. He's too quick on his feet. He doesn't wait for confirmation if there's someone at the door or not. He just hears something. He thinks he hears someone at the door, so he just runs and barks at the door. So he couldn't trade. Ain't that right? You don't need a trade though. Why would you need a trade? Trading sucks. This is horrible price action, guys. Horrible price action. Should be expect. Why? Hey, can someone answer me how you could have anticipated today would be like this so far? Let me get like 5 answers in the chat. What do you think, huh? Peace, Landon. Good decision. If you guys want to leave, that's cool with me. I'm not condoning this price action. However, I do condone you guys like the video and subscribe. It's more simple than that. Last day of the month, okay. On top of that, we have holiday weekend coming up, Labor Day. London had a pretty big expansion too, right? I think London, was that yesterday London expanded? Yeah, no, it was today, yeah. So London kind of expanded 200 point, well 180, which is not that big of a deal, but I'm gonna hang around here for about 20 minutes or so. I want to. There's like some days you need to like keep. Me personally, I would just show up every day, except the day before NFP. I don't like that day. That's just me. Show up every day. If there's a good setup, take it. If you're not sure about, like maybe price was like kind of behaving poor all session, and all of a sudden you get a good setup later in the session. Maybe just risk half, you know what I mean? Like, or if it's a low probability day, just risk half. That's what I teach students and stuff like that. Just do that. Show up every day, because there's the only reason I'm where I'm at is because I showed up on these days. Like, I didn't just like look at price and walk away, right? You know, I closed the trading account, but I'd still watch price and tape read it, okay? Because, okay, this is what it does on this day, you know what I mean? So what's most likely to happen? That's all it is. You know what I mean? be 10, like, you know, it could just be 10 days that price is really bad and the other 2 are nice, right? Ninja Trader, in my opinion, the fills are better. Yeah, the day before NFP, I don't like it. I just hate it. Nothing in there for me. Dang, chest hurts. Oh, this is horrible, actually. This is not even close to being good. Yeah, no, I mean, to be honest with you, I had a little rough, not rough morning this morning, but like just kind of, a lot of shit happening this morning, so I didn't really have a chance to. Didn't have a chance to do a pre-market prep, you know, just doing all this. Hey, Tough Trader. What's your name on Discord? I mean, on Twitter. Even if this gravitates higher, I would need a 15-minute fair value gap to form. But even if I took something, okay. So let's watch this in the M15. So look at the M15 chart, right? 9:30 open, 9:30 open right here, okay? Nothing at all. No trade in here. You guys see anything in here? Got SMT at the lows, right? That's about it. I would rather, if I wasn't live streaming right now, I would rather put a toothpick in my toenail and kick a door than watch this. Think about how painful that is. And I would rather do that than watch this. Kind of shows you guys something. Yeah. Like, I heard in my stream by saying, okay, that was you? Okay. I got a DM from that person. It just says, suspicious content. I'm like, I didn't click it. Okay, now I just clicked it. Got it. Okay, cool. I got you. DM me your email address. Oh, you got it. Okay. Do you have an account with them already? By the way? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Sniper was just actually in this live stream earlier, but his mic was a little hot. No, I'm not in a trade right now. I don't see anything here worth noting. Let me go with a 1 minute time frame real quick. I'll kind of show you guys. Now, I don't even see this place on the 1 minute. Look at this. This is horrible. I mean, yeah, it's going higher, but holy cow. Now it's starting to move. I mean, if you were to play anything at all, wait for a close above here. Retest somewhere here. Play somewhere up in here. If I was fractalizing something, right? If I was fractalizing it. So look for a close. I'm just kind of giving you guys something here. So enter now, basically. And then could play something here. I'm not in this trade, but, you know, I think getting late in the session, I think price is getting, you know, antsy. It's going to want to draw to somewhere, right? Stop would be right around in here. Nice little 2-hour trade almost. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I would need a 15-minute BISI in order to take this, but I think price just kind of says fuck it and just goes for the high now. Do do do. For 2 minute. Yeah. So 2R would be right here. It's the only thing I see. That's just me being somewhat, I guess, aggressive. I'll drag this over. I just think price is antsy. I think now, you know, just do something. You know what I mean? 10:45 almost. Like, geez, like, are you gonna make up your mind? Zoom out on the 5. 5 don't look. 5 still looks horrible. 15 still looks bad. Candle close here in 1 minute on the 15-minute chart. So that'll be a big candle close. Looking like it's just gonna sell off. Look at that. See what I mean? So, look at that. Is this something you guys want to trade right here? Does this look like something like, look at this. Look at this. You see what I mean? Days like today, just screw them. Right? That's why we always want to have something to work off of. Point of interest on the M5, M15, whatever. No point of interest on this 1 minute long. Didn't even, I would understand it a little bit if ES ran the high, created SMT, and we went lower. I get that. Didn't even do that. Now watch it just completely do an outside candle here. That would be hilarious. Let's check the M5 now. So what's that M5 chart look like to you guys? Nothing there, right? See what Tanya's doing real quick. See if she's live right now. There's no way she's in a trade right now. Oh.
Take the short here again. I'm gonna try it again here.
Well, she is gonna take a trade. She said to call her if price action is dog shit, or she'll call me. I'm like, this is pretty dog shit.
So
looks like she's trying to take a. Looks like she's trying to take a short here. Okay, playing like the inverse and going lower. Yeah. So she's probably has her stop somewhere in here, thinking it's gonna drop. Very well could. Just I'm just kind of like over this session, over this whole month, really, in my opinion. Wouldn't surprise me if this thing just ran this high that it made from this candle. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a big one right there. This is why I don't recommend watching lower time frame charts unless your point of interest has been tagged. Because your point of interest, I'm sorry. I mean, this is just absolute dog shit right here. I mean, look at this. This is horrible. I don't know how many times I've said it this session, but this is horrible price action. it's just meh. Like I say, what if this thing runs higher? I don't see much in here. Price in consolidation. No, but you do need to pass it within 30 days. I will say that. No activation fee. You just got to pass it within 30 days. I thought this thing can just grind up. I think it's gonna go higher. Yeah. I think this was all smoke. I think this was just like a big FU candle, because it didn't really take out this low. This low is still protected. So I don't know. It's me. That's just me. However, if this gets a close up up here, I think this would be the draw on liquidity. I don't think it needs to do, unless it's going to drop lower, it doesn't need to go any lower. I mean, it kind of ran out that liquidity right there. I got about 9 more minutes in the stream. I love you guys, but this is just absolutely horrible. I'm just watching the one man just to keep you guys kind of entertained. Look at this 5-minute chart. This is just absolutely horrible. I mean, the over-under on me saying horrible was probably like 7 times today, and now I think I hammered the over on that. It's been so very bad. Look at ES. Not live. $10 a.m. unicorn on ES past my eval. Did you go short or something? Maybe? Oh, yesterday. Okay. Yeah. So you went, okay, so you caught the shorts later in the day. Yeah, I went long. And then I know some people caught shorts, though. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Is it finally gonna drop? Look at this. Yeah, good way to end the month. No losses, right? Because you didn't take a trade. Oh, 5 more minutes. What did oil end up doing? Yeah, not shit. Oil didn't do shit. It never does. Except once a month. Yeah, no, there was nothing. You didn't miss much, bro. Did not miss much. Especially just me talking about how you can anticipate something like this. So this will be the last 5 minute candle I'm gonna watch, and I'm a dip. Inverse broadening formation by T-Trades. I feel like a day like today, it would just die in like 2 minutes. Like, it won't do anything all session, and like in lunch or later in the session, it would just like tank 100 points in freaking like 10 minutes. That's what I feel like is gonna happen. Or it'll be like a PM session move, which I don't trade the PM session, but those are the only two things I think is gonna happen. I don't think it'll consolidate all day. I really don't. I think I'll get a move. At 11 a.m., sell to hell. Definitely not worth any risk today. No, definitely right about that one. Year. M5, I don't see anything. Let's check M15. I don't see shit. Not really here. Yeah, I don't see nothing, guys. Let's check the 1 minute charts for some of you people. I would just be out at freaking Asia lows or some shit. 5608. That's what I would guess. 50. If we're gonna go lower, I think 5608. That's Asia low. Well, there we go. The 11 a.m. sell to hell. I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming. Something was gonna happen. Something was gonna happen. There it is. It dropped like crazy now. No sort of conviction. It just wanted to, just die. 1 minute chart. I don't see anything until this displacement right here. That's about it. So what's Asia low? Asia low is at 56.08. I think that could be a potential move down there. Nah, they ain't gonna catch me out here another hour. Couple more minutes. I want to see if it hits midnight real quick. I think it will. Plus, I'm looking at something real quick. Oh, there we go. What is Yep, it's filling all that low. So this is why I was bearish coming into today. Oh, ES actually still closed in there. We have this low resistance liquidity below us. NQ closed above this hourly SIBI, but ES did not. I did not see that until like just now. So hourly on NQ. Yeah, I think we go lower. Sorry guys, I just think we go lower. I think it took all morning to do the move, but I think it's gonna go lower. Hourly candle looks pretty good. Close below that, retest this order block here, and then shoot lower. I think that's what's gonna happen. But anyways, this is the 11 o'clock. Oh, it did hit midnight. So it hit midnight right there. Did it hit it on NQ? It did. So it hit midnight. Move these drawings, move this drawings, move drawings. Put this back on the hourly because this is what I use. This chart for. That is pretty much it for me, guys. Yeah, it's filling all this low resistance, this trend line liquidity that I had. Closed below this hourly BISI right here, respecting this hourly SIBI right here. So either it consolidates or I think it drops lower. Don't see us going higher today. Maybe next week. Maybe next week. I think it's going to lead that for CPI. I mean NFP, potentially. So that is going to be it. If you guys like this, if you guys like the stream, make sure to go like it, subscribe. I had a lot of fun doing I have a lot of fun doing these, but today was just not very fun until later. Just now, we finally got a nice little drop, nice little adrenaline rush. But yeah, this is I wouldn't risk anything today unless something A+ setup happens in a PM session. But that's about it. Just in this month, especially if you're profitable, go on to you start September off right, and yeah, it's not a very good month. Profitable month, but not very good in terms of the delivery of price. So I'm gonna cut it here. I'll see you guys in the Discord or on Twitter or whatever. So have a great weekend with families. If you guys be around your families, Labor Day weekend, watch some football for my people in the States, and it's the last half of the year is always the best in my opinion. So peace, take it easy. Do, do,